What's good, y'all? Back for another video. I got put y'all on some game, you know what I'm saying? Some TikTok game, you know what I'm saying? If y'all on TikTok and y'all want another way to make some money on TikTok, I'm finna show y'all, you know what I'm saying? If you buy a product off the TikTok shop, now look, this is some oil, y'all. Like, this is some black owned oil off the TikTok shop. Black oil on, black owned. It got the ingredients and all of that. Now look, I bought this off the TikTok shop, right? Literally, when I bought this, it's on sale, probably like, no, I didn't buy this. I got this for free. If you on TikTok and you didn't know, you can get free products off TikTok. You can request and get free products off the TikTok. Like, literally, it's not hard. I promise y'all, it's not hard. You can request and get free products off the TikTok shop. Like, for free. Like, you can request. You can go and request orders and stuff off the TikTok shop. Now, look, y'all. Look at this right here. I'm finna show y'all this. When I bought this, this was actually I didn't buy it. Right here, for proof. I didn't buy it right there. $0. Y'all see it? Hold on, I'm make sure that y'all can see it. I gotta turn the brightness down for that. $0 in the TikTok shop. So look, y'all want to take that. I want to take that product, right? You know what I'm saying? I want to take this product, and you can go and sell it on your own on TikTok. You can go sell it. You know what I'm saying? You don't need, it don't take no money to start. It don't take no money to start selling it. You can go and sell this product. You don't have to, you know what I'm saying, do nothing. You can sell it, bro. I'm telling y'all, you can sell it. So you can go and sell this product on the TikTok shop. You can go online. You can start a live on TikTok and sell it. Or they got to where you can post videos on your page and sell the product. You can post videos about the product, and you can link it in the video, and the views don't matter. Like, the views don't matter on the product, as long as that you're getting sales, and it's gonna show you in the YouTube analytics that, like, hey, you're getting sales on this product. Somebody bought this product, and you get revenue off that. You know what I'm saying? Sales. Like, I can show y'all, you get revenue off the sales. So y'all, it's not hard. Like, and this product right now, if I was to go live right now, I could go crazy with this product right now. Like, just this little small bottle. Cause think about it, this is your product. This is yours. This is your product. So you can go on live and you can just sell it, bro. You can link it in the live. You can talk all day. This is $27 right now. This is $27. This is a black-owned hair growth scalp oil. It's black-owned, bro. This is black-owned. Glove oil. So yeah, man, that's what I wanted to show y'all, that I'm gonna be making some more videos about TikTok, you know what I'm saying, and the products. Yeah, peace.